Hello. Now let's discuss about the memory components of PostgreSQL database. So the memory components are very essential to manage the PostgreSQL database in a very effective manner. And one of the most important memory component is the shared buffer. So shared buffer are a section of memory used by the PostgreSQL to store frequently accessed data by keeping this data in memory. And PostgreSQL can access it quickly without needing to read from the disk and speeding up the query performance. So it's hold the frequently accessed data to minimize the disk I/O and improving the query performance. And if we read the data from the memory rather than read the data from the disk, so definitely we will get more performance. And second one is the wall buffer. This is also a most important memory component of PostgreSQL database. Basically, wall buffer is a small amount of memory in PostgreSQL used to temporarily store changes to the database before they are written to the wall file on disk. So this ensure data is not lost in case of crash or improve the performance by reducing the number of disk write. So very similar way, changes is not directly write to the wall files. First changes performed in the wall buffer in the memory. Then this changes is write to the wall file. So definitely we will get the more and better performance if you write changes in the memory rather than directly write these changes on the wall file. Third one is the work memory. Memory area basically is used for the internal operation during the query execution, because if we use the order by clause in our query, so the sorting is performed in the work memory area, hashing and storing intermediate results in the work memory area, just like the temporary results is save will be saved on the work memory area. So the work memory area is used for allocate the memory for sorting, hashing, and temporary query results to improve the query performance. And one of the very important memory component with respect to the maintenance, that is maintenance work memory component. This memory area is used to perform the vacuum operations, create index, and alter table at foreign key. And if we set the value of this parameter larger than the work memory area, so we will get the significant improvement in our vacuum operations and restoration database term as well.